Hello everyone, my name is Marco and I'm going to show you something really cool today. If you're in the signage, design, print, market and you're looking to up your game and create things that are absolutely phenomenal, take a look at what I have behind me right now. This is going to blow your mind. So this machine is called the Builder 3D and what we have printed is something absolutely phenomenal. This is Deadpool and check it out. This has been completely 3D printed. And look at the details of this structure that we have built. Let me take it out and give you a closer look. So let's take a closer look at Deadpool that we have printed over here. You can see all of the details beautifully made through additive manufacturing with our machine. And this is the coolest part about this kind of like statue thing, the swords at the back. Take a look at that. It's really phenomenal with the level of detail that we can achieve with additive manufacturing. So if you're thinking of, a signage application or a design application, or you want something cool and fun to be on display, you have to get your hands on this machine because this machine is able to do all of that and so much more. So if you're interested, please come for a demo and we'll show you how it's done.